guys, it's Rosa here. I hope you're all having a really lovely day. I'm here today with a fabric haul video for you, and it's quite a big one, so I think we better get stuck in. Before I start though, I'll quickly show you what I'm wearing. This is a ready to wear polo neck top. I've had this for like 5 years and I can't get rid of it. Every time I go through my wardrobe, it's like gold and sparkly. It's from H&M literally years ago. I love it. My dress is a New Look slip dress made out of this really cool leopard print viscose, and I do have a video tutorial for this dress if you're interested. I'll link it down below. Yeah, and I really like it layered over a polo neck. I think it's really nice for this time of year. I think it's really warm and cozy. So let's get stuck in to the video and let's show you all these lovely fabric goodies I've got here. So I'm going to need quite a lot of help with these because most of them haven't got solid plans yet. So I've got solid plans for 1 or 2 of them, and the rest are really up in the air. They were total impulse purchases. Yeah, that I just need some help with. So yeah, please do feel free to comment down below if you've got any really good ideas for these fabrics. The theme that runs throughout this video is warm and cozy. As it's the end of 2017 and the beginning of 2018, I've been looking through what I've sewn in 2017 and reflecting back on it, and there were a lot of summer dresses. Let's not lie. There was just a lot. It's just the same every year, and every year I'm like, I'm not going to do that again, and I end up doing it. So what I want to do this January and February is make sure I've got some really lovely warm cozy pieces for my wardrobe that I've made myself, because the only things that remain in my wardrobe that I haven't made myself are jumpers and knitwear, and I'm not a great knitter. My jumper is still sat, nearly finished but not quite. So I found some really lovely cozy fabrics. So the first one I'm going to share with you is this here, which I saw this and just fell in love with it. It's from the Goldhawk Road, from A1 Fabrics, and I think it's just so cute. It's slight rib knit, and it's obviously, you can see, pink, blue and cream stripes, and I just couldn't leave it behind. It kind of reminded me of like tennis wear somehow, or like Margot Tenenbaum, who's obviously a style icon. Yeah, so I just fell in love with this. It's so warm and cozy. The man said it's mainly polyester, but there might be a little bit of wool in there, so that would be really fantastic. I've got 1.5 meters, I think, here looking at this. Oh no, I think that's, yeah, 1.5 meters. So I could make a jumper. I was thinking of just being really boring and making a classic powler, because this in a polo neck I think could look really cute, really great for layering up, and super warm and cozy. It's not itchy, so you could have it on your neck. Yeah, that would be fine. You've got to do that test, don't you, to make sure it wouldn't like drive you insane having something super itchy on your neck all day, but that feels fine. But yeah, maybe there's some more exciting jumper I could make out of this, so please let me know down below if you have any really good ideas of what sort of funky knitwear I could make out of this one. The next I've got to show you, I've only bought a small piece of, because I've cut this out already and it frays like no one's business. It's just crazy. So I've only taken a small piece to show you, but it's so pretty. It's from Fabricland. This is the sleeve, and I'm making, I'll insert a picture here, a McCall's cardigan with a dropped shoulder. And this is the sleeve piece. So it's really pretty and fluffy. It's just gorgeous. And this is also stretchy, but not as stretchy as this one here. So I'm making, yeah, just a loose fit cardigan. I'm already covered in fluff, just picking this up for 1 second. So what I'm gonna have to do is actually get my overlocker working. I know. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm going to have to just get on with it and have a go and get it sorted, because this fabric will not work with anything other than the overlocker. It's from Fabricland. Oh, sorry, I didn't say this one here was, I think, £6 per metre. This one was £5 per metre. If this is on their web shop, I'll link it down below, but I got it from the Kingston branch. But they had it in other colours. They had it in red and cream as well, and I'm sure they have it in other branches too. So a really nice cozy cardigan. I've not actually made a cardigan before that I can remember, but I thought that would be quite fun. So yeah, and it would kind of look like a bit of like a, you know, my big fluffy white coat, it would be like that, but in cardigan form. So I thought like I'd get quite good wear out of that. Another fabric I picked up when I was in Fabricland, there's quite a few Fabriclands here, shocking, I know, was this Ponte de Roma. And the reason I picked this up is just because I've never seen anything like it. So it's Ponte de Roma, but it really, I honestly think that from a distance, this reads as like a boucle, or like something that you'd make like a nice Chanel style jacket out of. I think it has such a nice texture. It's not printed. It's actually knit. The pattern is knitted into the fabric, and yeah, I've just noticed it's such nice quality. The reverse is plain red, and then obviously the front is like this. But it's not printed. It's woven knitted in. Sorry. I bought 1.5 meters. I do not know what to make, but I've got several ideas. One idea is to make a jacket like the Coco jacket from Sew Over It. So like a really cute literally go down that Chanel route and make like a cute little cardigan which looks like a jacket, so it kind of, you can wear it with jeans and a t-shirt or over a nice dress, and it would look, yeah, like a jacket, but actually you're wearing like a, it's like a the secret pajamas type thing, isn't it? Like it looks like a jacket, but actually you're wearing like a really cozy cardigan made out of Ponte. Or maybe like, I thought a cocoa dress could look really cute with a funnel neck in this. I'm not sure. Let me know down below, because this one, yeah, I just bought it on total impulse. It was £4.50 a metre, and I got 1.5 meters, so it was really, really cheap. And yeah, I don't know what to do, so help me out down below, guys. And the last thing I got from Fabricland is this one here, which is denim. I've used this denim, and I have to, this is probably my most highly recommended fabric I've ever used, so I'll hopefully try and link it down below. It is Stonewash Denim from Fabricland. It is £5 per metre. I've made 2 dresses from this. I've made a jumpsuit from this. Yeah, it's just, and they wash and they wash and they wear and they wear, and they just always look fantastic. It doesn't bobble. It doesn't really wrinkle all that much. It's just, yeah, an absolutely fantastic fabric. I've got, I think, looks like 2 meters here, and actually this is from my stash, because one of my New Year's resolutions, you might not know it looking at this, is to buy a lot less fabric and use up what I have. So I bought this about 6 months ago, and maybe longer than that, gosh, maybe even been like this time last year. Yeah, but I bought this, and I really want to make an Erin skirt, but I'm going to do a hack and make it into a pinafore, and I'm going to try and video it so that I can make a tutorial. This sounds like a very long chain of events here, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the Erin skirt from Sew Over It London. I'm going to hack it to make it a pinafore, and if it works out well, I will do a video tutorial for you guys so you can see how I did it, because yeah, I thought that could be quite interesting to see. And I love button down pinafores. I've seen lots in the shops. I'll put some pictures in here of the ones that have been inspiring me. It's been on my to make list forever, so I think this is probably the first thing I'm going to get going on, is making a little button down pinafore, because I think it would look so cute. So buttons all the way down the front. I'll use those nice hammer on buttons. And yeah, I'll make a little bib, and I'll probably make it in the midi length, because I think that would look quite cool, but I haven't decided on the length yet. But yeah, that's my one there. And the last fabric in my haul, so there's quite a lot of fabrics here, as you can see, not all brand new, but these are things I bought in like just December, and yeah, and then of course that one's a little bit older. The last one is also from the Goldhawk Road, so I got it at the same time as I bought this one here, and it is tartan. When you look at this, you might not think it was something that I would wear normally, but I was really excited to find it, and the reason for that is a company called Olive Clothing. Now, I follow them on Instagram, and I'm slightly obsessed with their account. Like, it's just they style it all so nicely, and yeah, they posted a little A-line skirt. I'll try and put a picture in here, which is made out of yeah, like a really nice tartan wool, and I just thought, what an easy thing to make. I mean, theirs would probably be quite expensive. I mean, it's pure wool, but this is wool, and I think I only paid, I only bought 1 metre, and I think I paid £12 for this, maybe 10. It wasn't expensive at all. It's really beautiful quality, and I'm gonna obviously line it so it doesn't get itchy and cling to my tights. But I thought, yeah, what a cute thing. So I'm gonna dig out my favourite mini skirt pattern by Simplicity, or alternatively, I might use the, I think it's called the Delphine skirt, I could be wrong, from Tilly and the Buttons' first book, Love at First Stitch. I thought that could really work well for that, and be adorable. I wanted it to be, yeah, slightly A-line, quite short, cute with tights in the winter, with a polo neck tucked in, kind of 60s maybe. I was so excited when I found this in the shop, because it was exactly the right colours that I wanted. I just know, I really like the purples and the greys. I think they're quite flattering colours. I'm imagining it with like a really nice creamy polo neck jumper that I've got. I've had that jumper for years, but I just, again, can't get rid of it because I wear it all the time. So yeah, I'm very excited to get going on that one there, and it should be quite a quick and easy make, even with a lining. So yeah, those are the fabrics which I have. I am super excited to get sewing, and yeah, get going on my makes for 2018, which is mental. It just sounds like the future, doesn't it? It's like, I can't believe it's 2018. And yeah, I'm very excited. Another thing which I'll be doing throughout the whole of 2018 until August is working on my wedding dress. I'm not sure what I'm going to show on my channel of that, because I kind of want it to be a surprise, obviously on the day of my wedding. So I might share a few little bits there, but yeah, please forgive me if I don't share everything. But I will definitely obviously share pictures of my wedding dress once it's finished, and some photos as well, and maybe I can make a video about that at the end of August, which is crazy. It's not like me to plan that far ahead, but anyway, I'm going to get started on that too. And yeah, it would be like a really nice slow project. It's obviously going to be a bit fancier than what I'd normally make. So yeah, it'll be something that sort of just goes on over the months as the year progresses. So that's everything for today, guys. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do click subscribe if you'd like to as well. That would be awesome. Yeah, and have a wonderful week. I hope to see you again very, very soon. Have a great week. Bye.